Hey folks, I'm HPCrazy and today's topic is the shuffle groove. What is the shuffle groove? Everybody knows it probably. The horse riding thing. Lucky Luke. But most of you never understood what it is really. But to get 100% precision, it's really necessary. You need what the shuffle groove is in detail. And even if you're an advanced player and you never did this exercise, do it because it will help you a lot to get more precise in any shuffle blues or whatever shuffle comes up to your way. So let's get started. What is the horse riding thing about? These are, to understand this, the bases are triplets. So first you need to understand what is a triplet. If this is the beat, 3 per beat. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. As in the first exercise, try to make a beat and count triplets. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So if you want to make the shuffle, you take the first and the third of the triplets. 1, 2, 3, 1. So I'm going to count here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. See? You count and you play the first and the third of the triplet. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we have it. And it's very important that you do it some kind with a foot or a momentum of your body. You can do the rowing boat exercise, which is cool too. So your whole body makes the beat and the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Try this. And if you're able to do that, then you're ready for the shuffle groove. Now let's do some exercises. First we're going to play a 5 chord to a groove. It's always a 5, so you don't have to think about the chords. Now you'll be playing on the first, just on the beat. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we make triplets. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then the shuffle. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Together with a track. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Now triplets. Now shuffle. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You need to be able to switch between these three. You need to be able to switch between these 3 timing signatures. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. What you don't see now is my foot doesn't stop, or the rowing boat exercise. So this is shuffle. You can also do it as a second exercise with pentatonics. Same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Triplets and shuffle. 1. So let's try that with the track. Okay, let's start with quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Triplets. And shuffle. And what you don't see, the foot doesn't stop to do the momentum. Let's do a third exercise and then we have it together. If you do any kind of anticipation, like start on 4 and like 1, 2, 3, 4. So you make a little lick here and it starts on 4, and then of course you start on the third triplet of the 3s. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you start on the third. Sometimes you start with 2 notes. Either you start on 4, that will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 1, 2, 3. That would be the normal one with shuffle, but now comes a tricky one. Now these two notes start on the second or the third triplet. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Nearly the same, but if you do them on the second and third triplet, it sounds a little bit more sophisticated. But it has to be precise, otherwise it's nothing. It's like with cheesecake. If it's not a precise taste, it doesn't really taste good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second. 1, 2, 3. And last. 1, 2, 3, 4. You hear the difference. Yeah, these were the very basics of a shuffle groove, understanding triplets, how to work with them with a track. You can choose any track which you like with shuffle, or you can select this one. You can download the backing track, this one, and the tabs of this lesson in the HPCrazy Students Club. Join there. It's a cool place to be. Believe me that it's for free for those who just want to participate the discussions, or if you want to have access to downloads, make a upgrade to the premium membership. It's little money for a really cool feature. And if you're a fan, get the HPCrazy t-shirt on my website hpcrazy.com, and follow me on Spotify, and me and Dr. Pink will be extremely happy.